Hello everybody, my name is Dillix and today I'm going to be showing you how to improve Windows 10 performance in 2020. If this tutorial helps, consider subscribing. I will not be providing downloads or links for you to click on as I want you to be safe. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin, we are going to be disabling programs which you don't want to start at boot. This will increase your boot times by up to 80%. What you'll want to do is click the Windows key on your button and then type Task Manager, as you can see right here. So Task Manager. Also, I apologise for the keyboard noises. Task Manager. And then we're going to wait for this to load. You might need to click yes, so just click yes if that does come up. Now, head over to the Startup tab. As you can see all of the programs here at boot. Now let's just pretend all of these are on. So let's say Discord was open, Steam was open, Skype was open, all of those were open. That's simple to fix. It depends how quick you want your boot time. The more you disable, the quicker your boot time will be. Make sure your audio drivers are on though, because if audio drivers are off, your audio will stop working forever. Now, once we've disabled them, we can actually exit out of this. Once you completed that step, it was very easy, wasn't it? Now we're going to do something that's a tiny bit more complicated. Don't worry, those I'll go slower for this. What I want to do is hold down the Windows key, and then whilst holding it down, press the letter R. Once you have a run box on your screen, which I'll actually drag around just to the middle so you can see it a bit more. It is at the bottom left though, usually. So what you want to do is you want to type percentage, TEMP, percentage, then press enter. This is going to open up a folder with loads and loads of files that you don't even need anymore. Yeah, so what you want to do here now is you want to do Control A to select all, and you want to click right click and click delete. These are all temporary files that your PC doesn't actually need anymore. See, once I actually got over a gigabyte worth, I don't think I'll be having a gigabyte here. I could be. And there's quite a lot of files here. So yeah, don't worry. I'm not making you delete system files. Don't worry about this. It's all absolutely fine. So we have got over a gigabyte now of stuff. Wow. It's only discovering it. Yes, it's going to take a while. It's going to take a while. I'll be right back. I've decided that I don't want to wait too long. But yeah, you want to make sure these are deleted. You don't need those anymore. They can exit out of that because I have quite a lot of files. Now do hold down Windows and click R again whilst holding down the Windows key still. Then you can let go of both of them. And now you're going to type PREFETCH. Prefetch. And now you want to click enter. Click continue if you don't currently have access, which I do. Just click yes. And now you're going to see prefetch. Again, quite a lot of files. These ones will be smaller though, so it shouldn't take as long. But yeah. So we're just going to want to wait for this. It shouldn't take too long. There might be a few files that are currently open, so you can just do this for all items and click skip. Now they've been recycled. Next thing you want to do is Windows R again and type TEMP without the percentage this time. There will be less files here. You just want to delete all of those. Control A, then delete. Now you're going to see all of these files in your recycle bin. You don't want any of these, so you're going to want to right click on this and click empty recycle bin. Yes. So now we're going to be going over to settings, Windows key, then type in settings, or you can just click the settings icon here. If that's not there, then just type in settings. So to go to system, notifications and actions, and then you're going to see that this ticks on, and so is all of this. Now what you want to do is you want to see how it says this, and then it has loads of check marks. You want to untick all of these. Go down, and you're now going to see get notifications from these apps. And by the way, this won't turn off your app ones. It'll just turn on that. Yep. So now you're going to see get notifications from these apps as well. You can get notifications from them if you want to. I'm not going to. I'm just going to turn off most of these as well. Settings. Oops. Yes, so once we have done that now, we're going to go over to shared experiences. Is it shared experiences? Yeah, so turn this off. Turn this off as well. Go to clipboard. You want to keep on clipboard history. May as well clear it though. You want to clear clipboard history. Go down to remote desktop. And depending if you use it or not, it should be on by default. You want to turn this off. So I'm going to click no, but yeah, you want to make sure that's off. And now go to, that's if you don't use it, of course. You might use TeamViewer and stuff, but yeah. Anyway, now we're going to be going up. And we're going to be going back to the home of settings. Now we're going to want to go to the gaming tab over here. And you are going to, this should be on. If it is, turn it off, because you don't need it on. Now go to captures. Now this laptop's not powerful enough for captures anyway. But if it was, then you'd want to turn that off. Recording in the background, playing a game. Game mode, just keep that on. That's if you even have game mode. And then you can actually go out of gaming tab. Now make sure your system is up to date. I know mine is. I did the last update yesterday, but you also want to go to Windows Updates and make sure that is. Now you can now exit out of that. See, now your system should be a bit faster. Now you want to click on the Windows key and you want to type in performance. Sorry, my keyboard is loud. Now it's to say adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. You want to click on that. Wait for that to open. Yes. Okay. Now it's saying let Windows choose what's best for your computer will be the default. But that's not what you want to do. Sure, it's going to make your PC smooth, it will look smoother, but this is for slow laptops, really. You want to go to adjust the performance of Windows, and if you want to turn any particular one up to 3, I'd say any more than that, then there'd be no point. You just click adjust for best performance, click apply, and then click OK. Now, time for defragment or defrag. You want to type in defragment and optimize drives. And I did put defragment, but it seems to come up. You want to do that. By the way, if it says hard disk drive as it says on the media type, you only want to do it to those. Do not do it if it says solid state drive, which is SSDs, as it can actually damage and sometimes affect the lifespan of an SSD. Which is why people might do this and say, oh no, why is my SSD so slower? That's why. So what you want to do is you want to hover over if it's a hard disk drive, perfect. If you've got multiple drives, which you should have, then perfect. Oh, and also if you have an SSD only or multiple SSDs, you want to click on change settings and you want to do run a schedule off. But I just do it weekly, but I think Windows lies there anyway. Sorry if this video is quite long. But yeah, so Windows will lie there probably because it never does that. Now you want to click on that disk and you want to click optimize. Now it's going to start analysing, depending on the size of your disk. Mine's 512 gigabytes, I think. It's a hard drive though. It's quite an old laptop. Okay, now it's going to analyse, then it's going to do all of its things. Just leave this on. I recommend doing this step overnight though, because it can take a while. Now you want to stop that for now and just click close. Now you have basically made the performance of your PC quicker. So that's gonna be it for this video. If there are any more technology videos you want me to make, let me know down in the comment section. I'll try my best to do those. If this did help, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, post notifications on, and my name is Dillix. Goodbye.